Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start immediately by enabling the add-in that creates data analysis. Open Excel, go to File, Options, then Add-ins. Once there, at the bottom, choose Manage, Excel Add-ins, and click Go. Check Analysis Tool Pack and press OK. This registers the tools that put data analysis on the Data tab. If Excel prompts to install, follow the installer. This ensures the tool files are copied to your machine, so the data analysis command will appear where you need it. Once the tool pack is enabled, make sure you can actually see the data analysis command. Go to the Data tab and look at the far right for data analysis. If it's still missing, customize the ribbon. Right-click the ribbon, choose Customize, then add the data analysis command from the list to a data group. If the add-in checkbox was unavailable earlier, switch to Manage, COM add-ins, or run the Office installer to add the Analysis Tool Pack feature. This completes registration, so Excel exposes the tool. You finish by using the tools. Click Data Analysis, pick the procedure like Descriptive Statistics or Regression, then set the input range and output options and run it. Make sure to check labels if your selection includes headers so results align. Once done, save your workbook. If data analysis still fails to load or produces errors, repair Office via Control Panel or reinstall the Analysis Tool Pack. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most missing file or registration problems that prevent the command from appearing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.